People, Papa Sammy here. I haven't been putting a lot up the last 3 or 4 days. My little phone died. I finally got a bigger phone. And then when I tried to download from the other phone, YouTube got confused. And
Started him a whole new channel.
a whole new channel, which I don't need. Anyway, today we're at Starkey's farmstead. And it's been raining almost every day. And if you happen to look at your plants, and they're starting to look kind of off-colored and puny looking, too much water, the roots. And to combat that, you need to come in here with rabbit manure, worm compost, in other words, TLC. Do everything you can to give them the nutrients they need to get back up and go again. But it's really, really been raining a lot the last 3 or 4 weeks. How's your book coming about, by the way?
Okay, so we wrote a book. Walk over here, Papa. We wrote a book, folks, called Growing Under a Poisoned Sky. And the front of the book is going to have a beautiful sunflower like this under a really ugly sky. And the point of that is to talk about, how they're manipulating the weather. So if you look at these plants, at the color of these plants, even though it has rained wow, I missed that. It's rained every single day. And the problem is they can't uptake nutrients when that happens. So what we did, as you can tell, here's a quick tip. My dad taught me this, folks. From the center of your cucumber plant, as it continues to grow, take out all these older ones. This is the old growth.
Yeah, you don't need that.
You don't need it. It'll actually give your plant, the energy will go to the new growth if you take these areas that are old out like that. See?